He's out. Let's go. You sure he's not gonna wake up?
Oh yeah, he's out. Trust me. I roomed with Dave last semester. Took 4 alarms just to wake him up.
This guy is really into water polo. Biology. Nature's cure. Tablets and cream. Ugh. What's he got?
Nothing. It's for acne. What's a good French word?
Magnifique.
Too long.
Ooh la la.
Oh, perfect.
Does this stuff work?
It did for me.
You don't have acne.
It's working pretty good for Dave, too. I never could have written on his forehead last semester.
He's gonna kill us.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, we didn't want you to miss your French final.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
What's with the camera?
It's a project for his health class.
Yeah, it's to show how well your acne cleared up.
Oh, I gotta get to class. Thanks, Scott.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Hey, good luck. Wait for it.